What is going on, everybody? It is Diving Care. Today I'll be test flying the new helicopter, which is called Little Bird. So I'm going to be a police for now, so it can be faster and I don't have to break out. So the new helicopter, the Little Bird, is on top of the bank, which the bank, of course, is at the city. So I'll be test flying the Little Bird versus the helicopter, and the Little Bird versus the Black Hawk. What I think is the helicopter might be a little bit slower than the Little Bird, and I think that the military helicopter will be a lot faster than the little helicopter. I like calling this little helicopter because it is little compared to the others. Okay, so I have a notepad right here to record the time. So we're gonna start off the Little Bird versus the helicopter. So I'm gonna be starting where I started, racing for the Audi R8 versus the Tesla. If you haven't seen that video, I think you should check it out if you haven't bought those cars yet. Okay, so we're gonna start in 3. Oh wait, I need to put on my timer. 3.
Who are you?
Got him!
We shoot down my helicopter. Okay, anyways, let's get back to flying or test flying this. Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So I think it is pretty fast. Yeah, it might beat the helicopter because it is fast a little bit. And we're gonna be stopping where I stopped in the old video, the Audi R8 versus Tesla. Okay, we're gonna stop in 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, so the time is 26.86. So I'm gonna put it on the notepad. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the helicopter, which is on top of the police stations. So, okay, there's one over there. Whoa, you guys see this? I'm carrying the Little Bird.
Oh, I won't let you go.
Look at that. Looks. I can't get it out, I think. Unless I touch it on the floor. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I had to ban you. Okay, so we're here now. And I'm gonna reset my timer. Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, yeah, I can feel the difference because this is a little bit slower than the Little Bird. So yeah, I think it's probably, it's gonna be a little bit slower than the Little Bird. Although it is a pretty good helicopter for starters, if you start off Jailbreak. We're gonna stop in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the time that we got is 28.59. So it's around a 2 second apart. So I guess it's not that bad. Whoops. So it's not that bad, it's just a 2 seconds apart. And it looks like the Little Bird won. So now we're gonna do with the Black Hawk, aka the military helicopter. So I'm just gonna write the time. Whoops. The time for the Little Bird and put it down here. Now, I'm going to grab the Black Hawk, aka the military helicopter, and we're gonna start where we started. Okay, comment down below what you like calling it. Black Hawk or military helicopter. I usually like saying both. I don't really care about the name, I guess, but I like saying both of the names. Okay, so now I'm gonna reset the time. Now I'll get into place. Okay, we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, start. Okay, this will definitely beat the little bird because it's pretty fast. I think that's the fastest game. Oops. It's the fastest helicopter in this game. That's what I meant to say. Okay, we're stopping in 3, 2, 1. Wow, big major difference. The time was 22.38. It is a big major difference. 4 seconds difference. It may not look long, but I think it is pretty long. So looks like the military helicopter won the round. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try posting more videos since it is summer now. School is done and we're in quarantine. Yeah, comment down below what videos you want me to do because I'm kind of running out of ideas right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give a big thumbs like if you enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.